Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa, an Ayurvedic doctor. Today our topic is about prevention of eye diseases during this COVID pandemic situation. Because nowadays all our children are in front of gadgets only, mobiles, computers, laptops, etc. But many of the children are suffering from eye diseases like dryness in the eyes, giddiness, headache, tiredness in face and eyes, blurred vision, eyesight decrease, etc. So many of the children are started using spectacles also. So how we can prevent all these conditions? These all conditions are called as CVS, computer vision syndrome. So how we can prevent all these symptoms? First of all, we should give laptops or computers or some big screens. Try to avoid the usage of mobiles. Next is posture should be maintained. Sit straightly while you watching your online attending your online classes. Next point is you can manage your child's screen time. Already we should attend the online classes. So other than that, if our children are playing with gadgets, online games and all, try to avoid or minimize the usage of computer and gadgets. Next is keep a distance of 50 to 80 centimeter minimum in between the gadget and the child. Next is blink regularly. Just close your eyes. After few seconds, open your eyes. Again after some time, close your eyes. After some time, you can open your eye. This will help to decrease the dryness of your children's eyes. Next is brightness of the computer should be reduced and contrast should be increased. When the child is sitting in a room for the studying online purpose, that room should get proper light and air facility. Next is the main rule 20-20-20. What is this 20-20-20 rule? If your child is attending 20 minutes class, then that child, after 20 minutes, that child should take a 20-second break, and in this 20-second break, that child should see some far object. Far means 20 feet far object. If that object is some greenery, then well and good. So for every 20 minutes you should take a break for 20 seconds, and in that 20 seconds you should see some far object, 20 feet far object. If it is greenery, then it is good. Next is some eye exercises that we can see. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Agnes. Today I'm going to tell you some eye exercise. Now let's start our video. First of all, when you get up, you have to rinse your eyes with cold water. So let's start our exercise now. First exercise is you have to rub your palms like this, and then you have to keep your palms on your eyes. Then the second exercise is you have to blink frequently. The advantage of that is it helps to keep out dryness, and then you have to blink tightly. That its advantages, it helps the muscles. Then the third exercise is mm, eyeball movements, but to do it you should not bend your neck or or face, and you have to do this exercise 10 times in a day. And the eye movement exercises, you have to first look up and down like this. Then you have to look right to left like this. Then you have to look diagonally like this. then the come for you should imagine that a clock is in front of you and you have to do it clockwise and anti-clockwise like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. And now you have to do thumb exercise, and you should focus on the thumb and you should move it forward and backward like this. And then you should do this right and left like this. You should remember that you should not bend your neck while doing this. And now comes the 20-20-20 rule. In that rule, you should watch 20 minutes your mobile TV or any electronic gadgets, and then you have to rest for 20 seconds. Then you should see for 20 feet away, and if there is something greenery, it is better. Thank you.